First step is we need to remove our accessories before performing hand washing technique. Second is turn on the faucet and place hands under the running water. Third step is use soap and rub palms together at least 15 seconds. And rub the back of both hands. Next is interlace the fingers and rub the hands together. Interlock the fingers and rub the back of fingers of both hands. Rub the thumb in a rotating manner. Rub fingertips on palm for both hands. Rub both wrists in a rotating manner. Next is rinse the hands from the wrist to fingertips using a downward motion. Dry hands using clean paper towel. Use the paper towel to close the faucet. And last is put the paper towel in trash can.